Compared to a hip.
No, ma. Ahí está, mira. Ahí.
¿Viste?
Ahí está, mira. Pero es alto.
¿Lo ves de ahí todo? Ahí está, mira, ahí está mamá.
Sí, ahí lo vi.
Ahí está el tipo.
Sí, pero esta mira. Mira, ¿se fue ahí?
Ah, no lo había visto.
Saltó recién.
Son chiquitos, ¿eh?
Vamos, ¿vale?
Should we go? Give them the menu. Oh, look, they're running off.
Where's Thomas? Can you see them okay? See them both, please? Oh yeah, it's oh wow, hey, look. Where's the other one? That's the brother. There's one there.
Yeah, it's a shed.
In the shade? Oh yes, I can see it.
Did you see them?
Yeah?
Are they chasing each other?
Wow.
How do you get
He's going there, he's going off down that way now, isn't he? Say bye-bye. Thomas! Right, let's go and find Mummy. Right, you just walk down and you find someone. Back to the Mom. Mom, thank you.
Rain, we're just gonna head downstairs.
Del pijama la que te
Yeah, I am.
Look like young ones, don't they? Look like young ones.
Look at the cat.
hair.
Look at this! Oh my head! It's raining!
You get wet.
It's raining! It's raining!
Oh, we're getting soaked here.
It's raining! It's raining!
Do you want to lift you so you can see?
It's raining!
Oh, lovely, isn't it? Good for you. Can you see it? Lucy, just let this little bit. No, it's disgusting. Let's go this way.
No, we're still looking.
Don't put that in your
Yeah? He's there.
Is he still lying there?
Yeah. No, he's right down there.
He's what?
He's down there. He's not lying.
He came running, didn't he? Over.
He's here,
Take a picture. Oh, look, he's gone again.
Look at him, he's running off. Oh, look, they're fighting. The mummy! Daddy, the mummy's here!
Shh, come and have a look.
Daddy, the mummy! Oh my God! It's the mom.
These ones are water buffalo. These are Asian water buffalo.
Buffalo farm that's not there anymore. Used to have a buffalo. There we are. There he is. Well, actually, they're as big as this in China. She's always wants to Erskine, Louise. She says, Mike, are you ready to buy one? I said, no. She says, you won't have to cut your lawn anymore. That's what I was just saying. I said, yeah, what about
I don't know. It's eventually he's so crazy they're more exotic.
Found myself a little cubby. I want to see these geese. See if I can see them. Come on. So these geese can fly over Mount Everest. It's amazing. So funny.
Let's see what else we can find. Come on.
And back to buddy. One's in the tree, one's down here, and I'm not sure where they're. Yeah, they've all. There's three of them. They just fledged, so they take short little flights. They're not very good at flying. Hence